Most mortgage applications don't get delayed because of big issues. It's usually a few small mistakes. Let me show you the three I see all the time. Mistake number one is missing or incorrect personal information. So, including your social insurance number helps the lender to verify who you are, which speeds up your verification as well as the approval. Now, entering the wrong social insurance number or getting your birth date incorrect raises flags and can cause another layer of paperwork. Also, we need 3 years of living history as well as work history from each and every person. As you're filling out the application, make sure to include as much detail as possible and the information matches the documents like your job letter and your ID. Which leads us to mistake number two, which is incomplete financial information. For example, your job letter might be missing a phone number, or asset section is left blank. Or the third one being maybe you're missing details or documents for your income. And chances are, if we've asked you for the document, then we probably need it for the application and for your approval. So the fix for this is to make sure that anything you upload, like your job letter, has complete information and matches what you've entered. If you have questions on this, we're certainly here to help to make sure that you get it sorted out. Number three, this might be the most important one, and it is not getting pre approved before you start the process. A lot of people assume that they'll qualify for a certain rate or a certain purchase price. Maybe they've used an online calculator to help them figure it out. But without a pre approval, there can be surprises. You could miss out on the rate you were expecting, or there could be issues with the income calculation, for example, around projected bonuses or commissions that you could make. There could also be issues with your credit report that need to be corrected. So, getting pre approved is one of the most important steps, and it's actually pretty easy to do. So, fixing those issues beforehand is much less stressful than it is in the moment when you've already made an offer to purchase a property or you're at the last minute for your refinance. I've actually put together a full step by step walkthrough on how to fill out a mortgage application so it doesn't get delayed. The link is in the description. Watching out for these three mistakes can save you a lot of time and make sure that your mortgage application is not delayed. If you would like me to review your situation, I've included a link below to my online application. It's easy to fill out and there is no obligation. This is a great place to start if you're just getting started. I'll take a look and walk you through all your options. Talk to you soon.